Alright, so pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna blow this air horn at people while we're driving by. And so, it's gonna be pretty fun. Yeah? Yeah, we're gonna have Nathan back here filming. And, yeah, it's gonna be fun. See if I can, yeah, got my camo seat covers. Yeah, ooh boy. Come on, you stupid.
It's weird, you put your key in there.
Yeah, it is weird to put your key in there.
What you usually put there?
Phil, record now. Record now. I got it. Chill out. Oh my god.
Where is she?
See her?
Oh, she's up there. She's way up there. Right there.
Here we go.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm recording. Chill out. That person right there.
Watch it.
Alright, I got it.
Oh, that was the same one. No, it's not. Get ready.
Alright, go.
Oh, no, he's looking at us.
So what?
Does it not matter?
Doesn't matter.
No, not yet.
I know.
I don't think I can.
You ready?
Here we go.
Look at that guy. Look at that guy. We're gonna get that guy.
Alright, we're gonna get Scott.
Oh, dude, this is the chick that sits on our table, right? Isn't that the one that's in the morning, the one that sits in front of us?
I don't know. We'll see.
I don't know. Get this guy.
Hey, watch this, alright? Watch. The guy on the roof, alright?
Can you see him? There he
That was really loud.
is. He saw me filming too. Do it. I'm recording.
Should we do it?
Yes, do it. Do it.
He's about to do it.
We're about to
Keep like right here.
we're about to beep at these guys right as they swing.
Let's go.
Go forward. What the heck? Alright, he's about to swing. He's about to swing. Slow down. Go.
You do it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just changing everything.